Hi, my name is DJ Rachel Ray, and I'm here with BrightSound Moble DJs and Uplighting. I'm here to talk to you today about the Chauvet Intimidator Scan LED 100. This light is great because it's bright, compact, and cost-effective, and it has an asking price of $2.99. This light has 7 colored gobos in 3 different modes: sound activation, DMX master slave, and auto mode. This light has a tilt of 90 degrees and a pan of 180 degrees. Let's check this light out. Now let's take a close look at our light. Right here we have our safety hook, our mic input, our sound activity knob. This is used during our sound active mode. Right here we have our power in and out, and you can power link your lights. What you do with power linking is you plug one light into the wall and you plug your other light into here, and you take the power out and plug it in, and you can cycle through this about 16 times. Then after that something goes deeply wrong. You can do the same thing with your DMX cords if you know how to do that. You can daisy chain 32 lights, and down here we have our dip switches. And right here, these are 2 LEDs, and they're just for our power and our signal to make sure that our light is working. Now let's go ahead and see these lights in action.